Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to add a signature in Google Docs on Android. If you have spent minutes hunting for the drawing tools in your Android and started wondering whether Google hid it as part of a scavenger hunt, you're not alone. The mobile app doesn't include the same drawing features available on desktop, but there's still an easy way to add your signature. Start by creating a signature image using whatever works best for you. I usually recommend signing a blank white sheet of paper and taking a photo, but you can also use Apple Notes, Markup, Procreate, or any drawing app that lets you write with your fingers or stylus. Once you have your signature saved as an image, open Google Docs on your Android and load the document you want to sign in. Tap the plus icon near the top of the screen, choose to insert an image, then select either photos or camera, depending on where your signature is stored. After the image is inserted, tap it and drag the corners to resize it until it fits naturally in the signature area. It may not be as fancy as built-in drawing tool, but it gets the job done quickly and looks surprisingly professional once it's positioned correctly. Plus, after you've saved your signature image once, future documents become a lot faster to sign in. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.